Hey YouTube, I picked up this old vise, well, it's not that old, but at a flea market this weekend. It looks like somebody has modified it, of course, to do some kind of rolling or something. I thought that was interesting. It's not a very fancy vise. It's called a Bessey. And I looked them up. They're not that expensive. But it does have some weight to it, so I don't think it's hollow. I think this is solid cast. And whoever did this saved the jaws. They mounted the jaws back here with this for some reason. And it opens quite wide, actually. It's the jaws are about 4.5 inches, and looks like it's going to open to about 4.5 inches, give or take. And so I think what I'll do, I'll take this stuff off. I can't imagine needing this. And I'll put the jaws back on it. Yeah, make a pretty decent little vise. I only paid $7 for it, so looks like it's going to work. So I suppose any vise for $7, it works. Can't beat that. I'll take this out. Yeah, that thing opens quite wide. It's still hanging in there. What is that? That's about 5 inches. It's almost at its last thread there. And it's still hanging in there. 5.5. There it is. You know, it's not broken or anything. Although the screw, no, I guess I thought it was bent, but I guess the screw's not bent. This is a good shape. I'll pull all this stuff off of it and see if I got screws that'll mount this, mount the jaws. Hang on a minute. Well, I'm back and I cut these off. I got them off there. These screws are rounded off a little bit, so I was able to pry this out. This is how they did this here. Interesting. That was a lot of ingenuity to get. I don't know what they use this for, but it'd be interesting to find out. Let's see what these jaws look like. I'm not sure what this copper thing was for. It's got a hole in it back here. Well, the jaws look fine. Like the holes line up. There we go. That's better right there. Hang that one right there. looks like about right for that one. Hang on a minute, I'll see if I got some screws that'll fit in these. I found 4 screws that might work here. They stand a little proud, so I'll grind them down. I gingerly tried to drill these jaws, but man, they're hard, which is good. So we'll grind these down, and I think they'll work fine. I'll get right back to you. Well, I got them ground down. Looks like they're going to work all right. I just put them on the grinding wheel, tighten them up in this nut, as you can see, and I think they'll be fine there. Although that one needs a little more. Hold on a minute. I'll grind this one down a little bit more. Yeah, that should do it. Lucky for me, this Phillips groove in these screws is deep. Let's see, I think I'll clean that up a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I was able to grind these down and still have something for the screwdriver to bite into. Looks about right. Let's see how this one does. Must have been the way they went, because the paint there, I guess. Yeah, that's a nice little vise, really. Look how far that thing opens up. Man, that's 4 inches right there. up. It's pretty tight. I'll clean all that up. Yeah, not a bad vise. $7 can't beat it. Well, I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching.